Hey guys, Matt Smallbone. I am standing here at the grand opening of the Corsicana Funtown store, and I'm standing in front of our South Fork model that is made by Cruiser RV, who is owned by Heartland RV. And we are standing in front of the 3780 Midbunk model. This guy is about 42 feet 1 inches in length and about 13,000 pounds dry. I'm going to show you what's unique about this floor plan. So immediately when you're on the outside, you're going to notice the exterior kitchen that does come with the 2 burners, as well as a designated sink, a large pass-through storage, and also an exterior refrigerator. We're going to go ahead and pop on inside and check out the interior. Hey guys, I'm now inside the 3780 South Fork, and I want to show you off some really cool features that are unique to this floor plan. So first thing you're going to notice is these opposing slide outs. Really creates a lot of space in here, a lot of living area with a lot of designated seating areas. This couch over here does pull out into a sofa bed, as well as these 2 love seats do convert into reclining chairs. So those are going to be across from your giant 50-inch TV that has a designated sound bar already equipped on it, as well as a massive 14 cubic foot refrigerator with a designated wine cooler. Solid surface countertops throughout this kitchen area, as well as the bathroom. And then if we step right over here, we're going to check out the really unique thing about this floor plan is going to be the bunk room. I'm 6'5" myself, and I could still stand up in here. So when you come in here, you're going to notice that you have large bunk space, as well as a door that can close and slide off and create that separation. But really the cool thing is that you're going to have its own designated half bath. So you don't have to have the kids coming up to the main area to use the restroom. They're going to have their own designated area where they can sleep and don't have to be coming in and out of the coach. Hey guys, I'm inside the bedroom of the 3780 MB South Fork, and immediately the first thing I like to point out in here is going to be this second designated AC. This is going to come standard on the unit. All of your South Forks are going to have that second AC designated for the bedroom. So if you like a cold temperature to sleep in, you do have that AC right above you. Another thing I like to really point out is you have the designated space right next to the bed. So if you have a CPAP machine, or if you want to plug in your phone, you do already have those outlets available and a nice area to rest your items. Massive storage in the bedroom as well, closet space, as well as drawers underneath. Another really cool thing about the bedroom area in the South Fork is that we are going to have a designated area for your washer dryer prep that does double as a closet. So massive storage in here that is ample enough room to fit a washer and dryer, and you already have the hot and cold hookups right there. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video on the South Fork. If you have any questions or want to see it in person, come on down to Funtown RV in Corsicana or check out their website, funtownrv.com.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.